Alright, guys, this was a song that was suggested to me on my YouTube feed. Nobody suggested it to me. I just found it. And I watched like the first maybe minute of it. Afroman put this out 12 days ago and it's called Will You Help Me Repair My Door? But the footage in it looks like they went into his house and he just used footage from surveillance cameras in his house of the cops searching his house in this music video. So I figured I'd finish watching it and share it with y'all and just see what it is all about. But anyway, let's go ahead and jump right up in it. Here we go. Plus, I ain't heard of Afroman in years, since like high school. Like, because I got high and I can't even think of the other one. But anyway, let's go ahead and jump right up in it.
Will you help me repair my gate? Will you help me repair my door? Did you find what you was looking for?
See, I think this song's about him like breaking in his house and searching it for like drugs and stuff, but just I love the way he used like surveillance footage. I'm guessing this is his real surveillance footage from them like raiding his house, but like it's just funny. Just anyway, like I say, I watched like the first minute of it. So
will you help me repair my gate and door? Would you like a slice of lemon pound cake? You can take as much as
yeah, that's about the time I stopped it and decided to start over and record. But this cop, the way he just stops and looks at the key.
you wanna take. There must be a big mistake. Would you like to have a slice of my lemon pound cake? The warrant said narcotics and kidnapping. The warrant said narcotics and kidnapping. Are you kidding? I make my money rapping. Why does the warrant say narcotics? Well, I know narcotics, but why kidnapping?
He's just like, oh, I know why it says narcotics, but why kidnapping? I just realized my camera's all messed up. Hold on. Can we get recollaborated here, please? Thank you. Let's turn that off. Okay. I have no idea how long that was not on my face.
Let me ask you something, officer. Any kidnapping victims inside my suit pockets? Are there any kidnapping victims inside my suit pockets? You crooked cops need to stop it. There are no kidnapping victims in my suit pockets. Let me ask you another question. Is there 1,000 pounds of weed in my suit pockets? Is there 1,000 pounds of weed in my suit pockets? You crooked cops need to stop it. There's not 1,000,000 pounds of weed in my suit pockets.
Like, just the stuff they search through is crazy. And I can't get over the cop looking at the cake like I want a slice, but they went through his CD case. They gone through his daggone suit pockets.
Let me ask you something else. Any kidnapping victims inside my CDs? Any kidnapping victims inside my CDs? The Adams County Sheriff Department, you can get these. There are no kidnapping victims in my CDs. How many pounds of weed are inside my CDs? How many pounds of weed are inside my CDs? Adams County Sheriff, you can get these. How many pounds of weed did you find in my CDs? Why are you stealing my money? Why are you stealing my money? You represent the law and it's funny. You're stealing my legal work hard every day. Pay taxes, money. The sheriff disconnected my cameras. The sheriff disconnected my camera.
Like, that's so messed up. Like, they were going through his money, taking his money, and now the guy's disconnecting his cameras. I mean, he's already got all the footage he needs for this video to incriminate them, to make them look like complete idiots. But they're going to unhook the camera so they can't see being, or while looking like complete idiots. Like, these cops are so freaking stupid. And then they're just going to disconnect the camera so you can't see them being stupid.
The sheriff should be locked up in slammers. The Adams County Sheriff Department disconnected my camera.
Like, I don't know about laws and stuff, but that should be as legal as it can get. Like, I mean, cops gotta wear body cameras, but they're gonna disconnect your stuff so you can't see what they're doing in your house. Like, they need to put all them cops under the jail. Like, I mean, it's just so stupid. Like, I can't say that enough. Like, they're idiots. They're stupid. And my God, I hope some of the cops that were in that house see this reaction, because you're an idiot.
Did you have to traumatize my kids? 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 Will you pay me for doing me wrong? Will you pay me for doing me wrong? Will you pay me for doing me wrong? Or will I have to get paid from this song? How you think they gonna buy this, man?
Now, I want to know, did y'all find anything? Because I highly doubt it. If you found anything, it's Afroman. If you found anything, it was weed. And if you knew anything about weed, once again, y'all are idiots. But, anyway, Enough talking junk about the cops that raided his house. They were complete idiots. That wraps up this reaction. Like, comment, subscribe. It is free 99 to click those buttons, guys, and it helps me out so much. Gets my videos flowing, gets me more views. It helps my subscriber count, my analytics. It just helps out so much, and it takes 2 seconds to click those buttons, and it don't cost you a penny. But anyway, that's it for this reaction. See y'all later.